Mectronics is founded in 1994. Mectronics aimed to bring premium quality products from top international brands to India, and that's exactly what it has done in these 3 decades of its existence. Since last many years, Mectronics is a leading pan-India distributor for PCB assembly, floor consumables, and equipment in India. Mectronics is one of the very few pan-India distributors in the market and distribute leading brands like Zestron, Humacial, Heraeus, KIC, Metcal, Sudong all over India. All the brands are associated with Mectronics since more than 10 to 20 years. Moving ahead from consumables and tools to equipments, in the last 4 to 5 years, Mectronics has gained market share in PCBA machines, and now Mectronics bids their equipments in all the leading projects in India. Substantial appreciation has been received from the industry for the equipment sold by Mectronics, specifically for the BHUs from Hyowin, and hundreds of Hyowin BHUs are operational in the market. Huge installation base for EPS stencil cleaning, MB-Tech PCB cleaning, Process conformal coating machines, EVS dross recovery machines exist all over India. After KIC profilers, now KIC RPI is the industry standard system for continuous monitoring of reflow ovens.
Hyowin is one of the top 3 suppliers of board handling equipment in world market. They specializes in high-precision solutions for PCB handling. Hyowin's products offer durability, reliability, and flexibility for various PCB sizes and production environments. IJ Link Korea's CO2-based laser marking machine offers precise and permanent marking solutions for various materials, including PCBs. It delivers high-speed, non-contact marking with excellent accuracy, ideal for traceability and branding in electronics manufacturing.
Dessen is one of the leading brands globally for high-end solder paste printer. Dessen features advanced precision alignment technology, ensuring highly accurate stencil printing for improved soldered joint quality.
Sinic Tech Taiwan's SPI and AOI systems integrate cutting-edge 3D imaging technology, providing highly accurate real-time inspection for both solder paste and component defects, ensuring superior quality control in electronics assembly. HB Automation, China's reflow machines and wave soldering feature energy-efficient heating systems that reduce power consumption while maintaining optimal thermal profiles. Additionally, they offer precise temperature control with uniform heat distribution, ensuring reliable solder joints and minimizing defects in PCB assembly.
KIC RPI is a very effective system for zero-defect manufacturing. With KIC RPI, complete traceability of your each and every board produced is possible. It can be interfaced with barcode reader. Each and every produced board will have its thermal profile. KIC RPI can be integrated with SMEMA, and hence if any problem observed, the SMT line can be stopped until problem is rectified.
PBT Czech Republic specializes in advanced PCB, stencil cleaning and maintenance cleaning systems that ensure thorough removal of solder paste and contaminants. Their solutions use environmentally friendly technologies, enhancing production quality while maintaining sustainability in electronics manufacturing. MB-Tech France offers comprehensive cleaning solutions for stencils, PCBs, and maintenance, ensuring high-efficiency contaminant removal. Their systems focus on optimizing production quality while supporting eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning processes in electronics manufacturing. Make in India, EPS. Stencil cleaning machines are very reliable, efficient, and cost-effective to be used with water-based cleaning chemicals.
Process conformal coating machine have multiple models to cater all kind of conformal coating. Very efficient and reliable machine with a lot of installations at multinational companies. EPS, conformal coating made in India machine is very accurate and precise coating machine with a lot of installations in India and worldwide. EVS, solder dross recovery machine is world leader in its category. No cross-contamination. Machine can be used on shop floor. ROI is less than a year. EPS is Indian company, producing wave soldering machine, reflow oven for low to mid-range production. Also makes small solder dross recovery machine. Mectronics, a French company, specializes in producing solderability testers, ionic contamination testers, and other high-reliability process testing instruments to ensure stringent quality control. CMark X-Ray SMD Component Counter is an advanced solution designed to streamline the inspection and counting of various chip components. X-ray counting machines comply with strict CE and FDA standards. IJ-Link Korea's PCB routing machine delivers precise and automated depaneling, enhancing efficiency and reducing stress on delicate circuit boards during separation. Sunmenta's stencil inspection systems offer high-resolution imaging for detecting defects and inconsistencies in stencils. Their advanced algorithms ensure accurate analysis and maintain high-quality standards in PCB manufacturing. This is highly rated equipment in world market. AST China's selective soldering machines feature precise robotic control for targeted soldering, minimizing thermal damage and optimizing solder joint quality. Automatic nozzle changer, multiple solder bath, modularity as high points of the machine. XE's routing machine utilizes a high-precision German spindle, ensuring superior accuracy and durability in PCB depaneling. CMark, a big brand in China and very reputed in world market, produces high-quality multiple models of BGA rework system and very reliable X-ray inspection system for process control.
SAM's Model SME30 nozzle cleaning system efficiently cleans multiple nozzles simultaneously, ensuring optimal performance and extending the lifespan of SMT equipment. Nozzle holders are designed as per different pick and place machine.
Doctor storage dry cabinets are designed to maintain optimal humidity levels, protecting sensitive electronic components and materials from moisture damage. Their advanced dehumidification technology ensures a stable environment, prolonging the lifespan and reliability of stored items in 160 to 1,200 liters volume.
Graco USA's two-part dispensing systems deliver precise mixing and dispensing of multi-component materials, ensuring consistent quality in adhesive, sealant, and potting applications. Their advanced control systems and robust design supports a wide range of viscosities, making it versatile for various industrial applications. Company second from China believes that customer is first and hence they are second to them. Second produces all kind of dispensing application with wide range of viscosities of one part to multi-component material which is used in sealing, potting, dispensing applications. Herius is a high-end manufacturer of precision-engineered solder paste and SMT adhesives materials designed for reliable and efficient soldering in advanced electronic assemblies. Zestron specializes in providing high-quality cleaning solutions and services for the electronics industry, focusing on the effective removal of contaminants to ensure the reliability and performance of electronic components and assemblies. Their products and expertise help manufacturers achieve superior cleanliness standards in their processes. Humiseal is a leading provider of conformal coatings and protective materials for electronics, offering solutions that safeguard circuit boards and components against environmental factors like moisture, chemicals, and temperature extremes. Their coatings enhance the durability and reliability of electronic devices in various industries. KIC specializes in advanced thermal profiling and process control solutions for the electronics manufacturing industry, providing tools and software that optimize soldering processes and ensure high-quality, reliable electronic assemblies. Optilia is a Swedish company. Optilia is empowering PCB vision with wide range of HD camera and inspection system. High-definition imaging with advanced optical zoom capabilities with ergonomic design and real-time imaging make system unmatched in industry. Sudong is a specialized manufacturer of high-quality BLDC and servo-based screwdrivers. Sudong is known for their precision, durability, and ergonomic design, catering to various industrial and professional needs.
Metcal is a prominent manufacturer of advanced soldering and rework equipment, specializing in high-precision tools for the electronics assembly industry. Known for their innovative technologies, Metcal provides a range of solutions including soldering systems, desoldering tools, and rework stations. Their products are engineered to deliver exceptional performance, reliability, and ease of use, helping to ensure the highest quality in electronic assemblies. Metcal's commitment to precision and efficiency makes them a trusted choice for professionals seeking to enhance their soldering processes and achieve optimal results.
TechCon provides high-quality dispensing systems and accessories for precision fluid handling in various industries, focusing on improving efficiency and accuracy in applications such as adhesives, sealants, and other fluids. Leaders in its category, KHJ from China provide all kind of splicing solution including splice tape, clips, cutter, stapler tools, splice trolley, marking tapes, etc. Thanks for watching. Please stay connected with Mectronics.